Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Calendar. So Google Calendar is one of the apps that comes with your Google Drive. So it's a pretty easy tool to use, and it's good to use because it's an electronic calendar. So you can change things, delete things pretty easily in here, add new events. And there's a lot of things you can customize on here that you can't do on a regular calendar that isn't electronic. So I think it's pretty useful. So to get to Google Calendar, you can either go to calendar.google.com, or if you go in your Google Apps in the top right corner, you can just look for Calendar and click on it right there. So then once you get to this screen, you'll see this is your calendar. And just like a regular calendar, it has days, weeks, months, years. You can organize how you want your screen to look. So if you only want to see one day, or if you want to see the entire month, you can do that too. And then you can choose if you want to see weekends or you don't want to see weekends in your weeks. So this is how you create an event. So if you really just click anywhere, it will automatically create an event in that location. So if I wanted to create an event on at 3 p.m. on Tuesday the 6th, I would just click that box. So it automatically goes for an hour from 3 to 4 p.m. If I click on that, I can easily change it to anything I want. So if I want it only 30 minutes, that would be 3 till 3:30. And then I can pick the time zone if I wanted something other than the standard Eastern time. And I can create an event title, so I'll call this Event 1. And then I can also set a reminder so that it reminds me. And I can put it in my tasks by labeling it as a task. And then I can add guests here too if there are other people coming to this event. So this will go into my Google Contacts and find people for me. And then I can also add a Google Meet here. So if this is a virtual event, which a lot of events are virtual now, so you might notice if someone is sending you a Google Meet link that it's also being added as an event to your calendar. So this is pretty useful too. A Google Meet link can be attached to this directly so that it's with the event and it's in your calendar, and you can easily find that Google Meet link for the event. And then you can add a location and a description. You can attach anything. And then you can pick a color too. If you want it to stand out, you could pick a different color. And then you can choose your status if you're busy or free. And then, so if you want to change that reminder, right now it's set on a reminder for 30 minutes before the event happens, but you can go in custom and make it anything you would like. And then once you click on save, the event has been saved. Another way to make an event is you could just drag on the screen. So if I dragged from 2 p.m. until 6 p.m., but I can even go past 6 p.m. I can go to 6:15. So if I do that, it automatically knows that I want an event from 2 to 6:15 p.m. So this would be event 2, and then I could pick a different color for this one. And there is my second event. So it is pretty easy to use Google Calendar, and it's a good way to organize your events so that you know what's going on and what time. And another thing you can do is, so if you see to the left at the bottom, it says My Calendars. There are technically different kinds of calendars in here. You can actually add a calendar of your own. So if you click on Create New Calendar, you can name your calendar. So I would name this School, and then Create. So it says I've successfully created my new calendar, and then I'm going to go back out of settings. So now I have this school calendar. And so I can put some events in that school calendar as well. So if I wanted to change the calendar, I would just go in here and change it to school, and there I have it. That's my event, and it's in my new calendar called School.